Good morning, all of you. Thanks for the joining. I am the host, Sanjay, your DevOps buddy. So, guys, let's start with the interaction. So, I will introduce first of all myself. Uh, I am a Sanjay. I am having around 10 years of experience in IT and DevOps. So, I was thinking DevOps is an emerging career, and I am happy with this career, and I want to open the doors for everyone to start their journey into the IT and DevOps. So that's why I have scheduled this session. So let's begin with your introduction as well. I can see your names, but let me know in comment from which city and country you are. So I can see a response already. People are joined from Pune, Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Bangalore. Okay, great. Great responses, guys. You are very good, guys. Getting a very fast and quick responses. Nice. Jaipur, Pune, Nilesh from Pune, Adiba from Pune, Bangalore, Chennai, India. Okay, so all are from the India only. Great. Okay, do we have any international participants? Sunil Gupta, good. Keep chatting, guys. So this session should be a two-way. So I don't want only speak. I want you also participate. So then only you will be able to enjoy the session. And as I promised in a mail, we are starting a fantastic game. And I want 100% response from you guys. And if you are playing this game, you will really understand how DevOps work. So it's not a game for a fun. Actually, this game is to explain the DevOps concepts. Okay, let me know how many guys are ready to start the game. Comment yes if you are ready to start the game. Comment fast soon. Yes. Yeah, good. You are giving a very good response, very energetic audience with me today. And it's a fantastic day. And today is a start of a Navratri in India. So first of all, happy Navratri to everyone. And I will also allow you to unmute yourself and ask the questions. But there are a lot of participants. And if you start speaking, then there will be a chaos. So intentionally, the mute is disabled for all. Good. Happy Navratri, Jai Mata Di. Yeah, very good responses, guys. Very good. Keep it. I have also requested to start from the laptop or PC. So if you don't have at this moment, no problem. You can use the mobile, but you have to connect while you are learning. You have to connect from the laptop, PC, or Chromebook, whatever. Like you should have a keyboard, mouse, and screen. So it doesn't matter which company, what configuration. If you have old laptop with you, no matter, we don't need any fancy devices, because we are learning here technologies and DevOps. The role of DevOps is 90% on a cloud. So there are very few chances that you will get to work on a on-prem machines. So we don't need very high-end laptops for the sessions. And the session is designed in very well, like you will have a real-time experience. Okay, guys, nice responses. Happy Navratri, Jai Mata Di. Okay, cool. So let's begin our game as suggested. So the game is, I am here to give. Okay, so first of all, let me know you are students or working employees. Comment student if you are student, or you are employee, just type employee, or you can type STD or EMP. That's fine. Yeah. Okay. Working employee, student. Good. Student, employees, student. Okay. Employee. Good. So I can see there are a lot of students almost. Okay. Was working, but right now learner. Okay. Good. Employee. Okay. So I can see there are almost 80-20 ratio. There are near about 20% who are employee and 80% are students. So that's nice, good ratio. And okay, so good news for all. Though you are working, I am going to give job opportunities right away, free of cost. So because this is a game, I already told, and we will have a virtual company today. So let me explain what is the game. Okay. So are you ready or excited to play the game? Type excited. Type excited in the comment. I want to see your excitement, guys. Oh yeah, good responses. Excited, very much excited. Very nice. Cool. Great. You are a very lovely audience today. You are making my day, and I promise you, you will have the best day today. And today is Navratri, and you are starting your DevOps journey with on a very holy day. Okay, so let me explain game. So let me change my screen. Okay, so I need to share screen, I guess. Okay, so let me know if my screen is visible to you. Just type yes in a comment. Okay, type yes in a comment if you can see my screen. I have opened a black white screen. It's MS Paint. Type yes if you can see my screen. Yes, yes, good, good, good. So now I have a company called the Upskill Institute. So guys, this is my company where you are getting the jobs. Okay, let me see the font size. Just a second. Okay, I think it's visible or readable to everyone. Please confirm yes if you can read it. So game is, this is my company and I want to start it. Okay, so this is a software company, as you know. So I have various openings. Okay, so let me know which role you want. Just type in the comment which role you want, and I will adding your names in front of that. So first opening I have. So don't worry, though this is a session of a DevOps, but as I already told, we are playing a game, nice game. So it doesn't matter which role I am assigning here you, because this is a temporary role. Because after completing this course, you will get your dream job. So if you are looking for a DevOps engineer, you are looking for a CloudOps engineer, you are looking for a SRE, or you are looking for a DevSecOps engineer. But as this is a game, so I will be creating some roles for you guys, and you have to select one role seeing from the screen. So I have a first role called a software developer. Remember, this is a game. So who wants to become a software developer? Let me know your name in the comment. So I will mark his name on the screen. So you will get a job as a software developer. Don't worry about packages. You will get a lot of good heavy packages because you are a skilled engineer. Okay. So Pooja Kale got grabbed the opportunity. So Pooja Kale, congratulations. You are now software developer. Okay, great, great, great. Your responses should be quick, fast, be attentive. Otherwise, I have limited opportunities. So next, I have again role for a software developer. Let me know comments who want to grab this opportunity. Okay, Sunil, great. Sunil got the placement into the software developer. Okay, so now who else wants the jobs? Are you ready for the getting jobs? Yes, type yes, type yes. If you are ready for the getting jobs, great, great. So guys, this is not just a fun game. This is a very interactive and learning session for everyone. So once we conclude the game, you will have very good learning. Okay, good, good. I am getting very good responses as a yes, nice, nice. So I have another role, that is solution architect. So this is a very, very important role, and this is having more packages than DevOps engineer. Who wants to grab this role? Let me know in comments. Oh, Pooja, you got the already job, so sorry, this will not applicable for you. So if you got a job, don't apply again, because I can understand you got the software developer and I am giving the better opportunity as solution architect. You will get a more salary, but don't bother. You will get a dream salary. Okay. So Vijay S. Rita, okay, so they are interested. Ram Mane interested. So first response got from the Rita. Okay, Anup is typing. So first got the Ritam got the job as a solution architect. Very nice. Congratulations. So next job is a technical writer. Okay, who wants to be a technical writer? Okay, Shubhangi wants solution architect. Good. So I need a multiple solution architect. So Shubhangi will be a DevOps architect. Congratulations, Shubhangi. You mentioned a role and you type your name. Very good. Very good. It is called attention to the details. Very well. Okay. So now I have opening called a technical writer. So who wants to be a technical writer? Let me check who is the first. Let me know your, don't type interested. This is not a LinkedIn, guys. You want a job, so just typing interested will no one give you job. Type yes, I want job. So type yes, who wants to become a technical writer. Okay, so we got a first response from Anup Kumar. Okay, congratulations, Anup Kumar. You are now technical writer. Okay, now I have the very interesting roles for which you are looking here and for the which you have joined the sessions. Any guesses which role it would be? Type in the comments. You guess it right. It's a DevOps engineer. Okay, so the person who already got the job, don't mention the name because this is just game. Okay, so first one, DevOps engineer goes to Pooja Kale. Seems to be very much excited. She is applying for all the job profiles, but in practical, this is not a good practice because you will not concentrate on the specific role. Okay, so I can see Nilesh Fadtare, Sher Ali Khan, Vijay S, Ram Mane, DevOps engineer, Pooja Patil, Adiba, Nilesh Fadtare, Shubham, Pooja Kale. Okay, your Pooja was guessing. Good, good. Looking for DevOps. Great, great. So uh, I need to see the first one who applies for the DevOps engineer. Okay. Raymunda. Okay. So Raymunda, sorry if I pronunciate it wrongly, but Raymunda got the job as a DevOps engineer. Now I have another exciting role that is called as a SRE. SRE stands for Sites and Reliability Engineer. So who has already applied? Let me check. Okay, who wants to be a site reliability engineer? Okay, Vijay, Nilesh. So Nilesh is a win, and Vijay is also win because I need a multiple SREs. Okay, cool. So okay, what I want more. So this is my company. I are told this is Upskill Institute, and we have this much of positions. Okay, so we got a solution architect, we got DevOps architect, we got technical writer, we got DevOps engineer, we got SRE. So what left? We remember one role, that is Scrum Master. So who is interested in management? Let me know in the comments and I will give you job as a Scrum Master. Okay, let me know in the comments who wants to be a Scrum Master. Type guys, type fast. Who wants this job opportunities? Okay, AWS DevOps engineer. Good. I will give this role to you because in DevOps, a lot of positions are required. There will be AWS DevOps engineer, and then I will make one more Azure DevOps engineer. Okay. So who wants to become Scrum Master? No one wants to become Scrum Master? Please type quality analyst. Very good catch. Raju Sharma got the position of quality analyst. Good. But anyone interested for Scrum Master? No one? Because this is the one role where everyone can control. Like you will have the meetings and you will design and you will conduct the daily stand-ups and all. Okay, so Varshit Varshit got the job as a Scrum Master. Okay, great. Shit. And Ritav got the role of a quality analyst. Very good. Okay. Okay, cool. So, okay, so I think we are done with the openings and now we are good to start our software development lifecycle. So these are the roles we have listed. Like if you join any company, the people who are already working, they might know these are the roles where being a DevOps engineer, we have to closely work. So first, our solution architect. Then there will be a DevOps solution architect. Technical writers will be there. DevOps engineers, SREs, Scrum Masters, quality analyst, and much many more roles will be there in any company when it start your actual job. But the DevOps is the exciting opportunity. Why? The first thing, you are the one who create the applications. How you create? Developer writes the code, but he just write the code and he store it in the folder. In a layman language, it is called as a folder, but in IT language, we call it as a repository. So the people at this level, you will not understand what is repository, but for you, let's consider it is a folder. But we don't call it as a folder, we call it as a repository. So why we call it as a repository? Because we keep continuously updated code into that folder, and that repository is not saved on a particular machine. So it is shared across all the users who are working on that project. Okay, so now let's understand. We are at the Upskill Institute. We started our company and we got a requirement to develop a application. So I know you all are young, between very young people. So I know everyone likes to play the game. Okay, so type comment if you like to comment. Type game in the comment if you like to play the games. I know you are keeping, I am keeping engaged everyone because that is required. Type games, good. I am getting responses, good. Okay, so everyone likes game. So let's, our first product should be create a game, design and develop a game. So what we have, we are going to develop a game. So what we want, let me give a good color. Okay, so and type game. So here we want to create a game. So which one game you want to create? We have options. We can create Android game. We can create iOS for the Apple or Macs. We can create a Windows. We can create Linux. But I want to create a game which will be everyone can play. So what is your answer? I want to create a game so that irrespective of platform, anyone can play. So which type of game I need to create? Let me know your answer in comment. You are playing the games, so you know, you should know the answer. What type of game we need to create so that I will create a single game and everyone can play that game. So how we can create that? Answers your answer, please, in comments. Chrome Dinosaur, Android, open source. Good answers. Actually, we need to create a web-based game. Web-based game is the answer. Why? Irrespective of your device, it's Linux, it's Mac OS, it's Windows, you have a browser and you have a power to play the game. So we will create a web-based game. Okay, very well. So now our requirement is a create a web-based game. So let's give a name to it, web-based game. Okay, so we will create a web-based game and where everyone will play, and not we are playing a game. So I will assure you, everyone will, once we create this web-based game, everyone will able to play this game. Okay, cool. So now what is the role which come in the first? So any answer, like what will be our starting point? So these are our list of employees who will get first involved. We have missed one role. Okay, people are saying developer. Okay, people are saying technical writer. Okay, so but the first one who will involve into this game is called as a product owner. So we have not added that role. So I will mark myself as a product owner because now we don't have a time for recruitment. It's already delayed. So we will have, any company will have a product owner, and then with him there will be business analyst. So, okay, and then product owner. So product owner will be responsible of an entire product. So let's say I am the product owner. So I will be responsible for this entire development of a game. So from the then I will be responsible. I will assign business analyst to create the case studies. Okay. So let's say we got a contract from company ABC, and ABC is a company who have online gaming business, and they approached the Upskill Institute. We are want to create a online game. Can you develop it for us? Okay. So then first our sales team will interact with them. There will be a meetings. Then product owner will be there. Business analyst will be there. They will go and they will have their first meeting with the company ABC. ABC company will explain what kind of game they want to create. So let me know in the comment which is the most trending game, web game in the online today. So let me know in the comments which is the latest online games which you play. Let me know the comments. Okay, I am getting answers. Teen Patti, Rummy Circle. Okay, good. Let me know the other participant also try to comment which are the online games. So these are games, gambling games. So we should not promote it. Yeah, very good answer. Free Fire, PUBG, Forza Horizon 5. Good, good. So very well. So we will create eFootball, BGMI, Valorant. Good. So we will create a one game. Let's create a mind game so that everyone will not waste time, and there will be some mind training exercises with that game. So let's create a mind game. So I will explain the hierarchy. We are here to create. We approached ABC company. They have a requirement of creating a game. Chase, very good answer. We can create that as well. So they want to create online game, and we want to create a mind related game. So that let's what we can do. So chess, we can create it, but let's create a very simple game so that everyone can play it and everyone can enjoy it. So let's create a puzzle game so that people will get engaged and they will get exercise to their brain as well. Okay, cool. So now here we are coming to the role business analyst, product owner. So they what they will do, they will collect the requirements. So first page, first first will be requirement. Requirement will be collected from them. So then next step come into picture. So what is the next step? So next step would be, what would be the next step? Please let me know in the comment. What will be the next step? Once you collect the requirement, then what will be the next step? Okay, software needed, planning. Perfect answer, Adiba, planning. So we call it as a design. What we call it as a design. Design. So who will be involved in it? Blueprint, perfect answer. Designing as per requirement, very good answer. So you are fantastic guys, very good responses, and I am also enjoying the session. Hope you are also enjoying. If you are enjoying session, let me know yes in the comment. Let me know yes in the comment if you are enjoying the session. Okay, yes, yes, good, good, very good. So this energy should be till the end of the session, guys. We don't want to lose our energy at any point. Okay. So first step will be requirement collection. Who will be involved in that? Product owner will be involved that. Project manager will be involved that, and business analyst. So these two roles which we recently created, those will be involved in the analysis. Means this is called as a requirement. Then second step will be designing of that game. So who will be involved in designing? So system architect, solution architect. So we have Solution architect Ritam. Give a lot of applause for him. He will be involved. Now his work will start. He will design the application. Then we have, okay, so solution architect or system architect, UI UX designer will get involved in it, and they will create the front end. Front end means how the game will look like. So let me draw a game sample so you will see. Okay, so let's create a puzzle. So how it will look like? It will look like a, so let's say this is a game and people has to solve the puzzles, and here numbers will appear. So, okay, so like this kind of game interface will look like, because this is, we are designing a puzzle. Okay, so this is called as a design. So who will be involved in it? System architect will be involved. Solution architect will be involved. And then they will design the application. So what they will design? They will decide which technology they want to use. Do they want to go with .NET? They do want to go with Java, or they do want to go with a Python. So that will be decided here. Okay. Okay, very good. So it will follow SDLC. Perfect answer, Shubham. So that we are going to understand here with the game of. Okay, Raman answered HTML, CSS, and Python. Very good answer. So here what will involve? Front end technologies will be involved to design that application. But does our task finish here? Just deciding the front end technologies? No. We need to find out what are the backend technologies as well. So for those are the students and who don't know anything about. So let me explain you what is front end and what is backend. So now here you can see the screen. You have connected through the Zoom call. Everything you can see here. So that is called as a front end. But do you know how we are connected? What are the services involved? So now I am sharing screen. Anyone know which web service is used here? We can't know because we cannot see it. So that's why it is called as a backend technologies. And front end technologies are visible to everyone. So that is called as a front end. Now you are, if you're connecting through the mobile, you click on the paint, so you can see it. So whatever content you can see it, it is called as a front end technologies. And there are different applications to design that front end, or design tools, design different languages are involved to design in it. So being DevOps engineer, we don't need to learn HTML, we don't need to learn CSS, we don't need to learn Python, anything we don't need to learn. Why? To design the application, we don't need to learn those technologies. Okay, let me underline front end technologies which are used to design applications. Being a DevOps engineer, we don't need to learn it. Okay, so let me know how many want to become a DevOps engineer because coding is not required. Let me know, comment in yes. If you are want to become a DevOps engineer just because coding is not required, let me know in the yes. Okay, so I can see a lot of yes. Okay, good. So let me have another question. Being learning some scripting languages, it is not a coding. Okay, these are the scripting languages. Like scripting languages is like English, like sentences. If you are doing a PowerShell, you will just write output like simple statements. Using that, you will able to become a more efficient DevOps engineer. Now let me know in the comments how many are ready to learn the scripting languages. Let me know in the yes. If you are not interested to learn, let me know no issues. Be honest. I will be honest with you. You should be honest with me. So you don't need to learn coding technologies, but you need to learn scripting languages. Let me know yes in the comments. And if you don't want to learn scripting technologies as well, let me know no in the comments. Okay, I can see very good answers. People are not only responding answer, yes, they are responding the answers as well. Very good. Very good audience, guys. Yes, Bash, Python scripting, Kona Reddy, yes, Blessing, Oliver, yes, Raman K, yes. Okay, everyone is interested. Okay, so we have some international participants as well. Okay, good. So, okay, let's move ahead. The first step we done, we collected requirement, we collected. Now our role is creating a design. Okay. So then what is the next step, guys? What is the next step? After that, solution architect will get involved. He will select which technology we have to use, which front-end applications will be used, what database will be used, and what the services will be written on a backend. And then he will come to the DevOps architect. So DevOps solution architect, he will come with DevOps solution architect and he will share his requirement with the DevOps solution architect. Like, I am going to design this kind of application. I will need this front-end technologies, these back-end technologies, and application should be designed in a such a way. So now DevOps solution architect will come into picture, and depending on the business application, he will select the list of services which we need to use to design this application. So every company has own subscription. Like, some companies prefer AWS as a cloud platform, some companies prefer Azure as a cloud platform. But some companies are very smart. What they do, they want us cost cutting, because if you can able to reduce the cost, believe me guys, you are the asset for the company. For example, if some company is spending $1 lakh per month for your cloud infrastructure, and if you can reduce only 5% of that, or let's say 2% of that, can you imagine how the number become very big, how the huge number becomes it? So that's why. So let's say it's a $1 lakh, and you just saved 5% of it. It means $5 lakh, right? So think of it. Out of $5 lakh, company will happily give you 10% of your salary easily as an increment, because you have saved huge cost for the company. Okay, so move ahead. So now here DevOps solution architect will come into the picture, and he will suggest, like, depending on what are the license they have. Like, if they have Azure, they have AWS, they have a GCP, they have Utho. So Utho is a new cloud platform. It's a made in India cloud platform. So people who don't know, you can know the Utho cloud platform as well. Okay. So then there are IBM cloud. Some companies say, we don't want to go to cloud. We want everything infrastructure on premise. It means we will have our own data centers where we will host our application. So these kind of companies are also available. So who go for on-prem solution where security is very high concern? Like, for example, let's take example of a NASA. Okay, everyone knows NASA, right? So NASA is working on a very important project. Let's say they are testing a nuclear bomb, and all the related information they are doing. So let's say if they kept all their data or their application onto the cloud, then there is a risk, very little risk, but still there is a risk, like that data can be hacked, and that will go to the some companies or some people, like bad people, who will misuse that data. So you can understand this is a very, very sensitive data, because anyone can create the bomb using that data. So this is a very sensitive data. So such cases, or banking domain. So let's say you got access of any bank, you got access to the HDFC Bank. Now you have a database of all bank. You can see what balance anyone has, or what is the balance, or you can make a transactions. So then some critical data, it is hosted on the on-prem only. But being a DevOps engineer, we don't need to worry about which cloud they are using, where data is stored, which technology they are using. Our role is DevOps, development and operation. So collaboration is our main role. So the DevOps is created to increase the build process, application deployment process. So this was created. Okay. So now it will come, we done a requirement, we done a design, and then actual, once everything is, the solution architect solution diagram is prepared by the solution architect Ritam and DevOps solution architect Shubhangi, once they finalize which technology, which services we are going to use, then it will start the development. So now next step will be development. So we will start the development. Now here we have a software engineers and they will start working on it. So sorry for software engineers, your name I think got cut from my end, but don't worry, your job is safe in safe hands, so don't need to worry about it. Okay, so now development team will start working on it. They will write a code, they will write code, they will do testing. So they will do a unit testing. What is that unit testing? So unit testing is done by the developer only. For example, if you are assigned to create a web page, so rather than passing it to the testing team or QA team, the developer will test it by their own. So that is called a unit testing. So that testing will be done by development team. Our software engineers will be involved in that to design the application. So then front end team will design the front end application, back end team will design the back end of application. DBAs will write the database, they will create queries, they will create the database. So everything will happen. And once they found the application is ready for testing, then they will approach a DevOps engineer. So now guys, being a DevOps engineer, our role comes into the picture. So what we need to do as a DevOps engineer? So as I said, everyone is creating their code and storing in a repository. So repository is nothing but a online folder, like you have a Google Drive. Similarly, we have a repositories, like we have a GitHub, we have a Azure repo. Multiple tools are there where we can use as a repository. So why we use this repository? So that everyone means who are involved in this complete process can use this tool, this code. So that's why we store it in a shared location, or it is called as a repository, where we store our all code. Okay. Then being a DevOps engineer, what we will do, we will collect that code in our tools. And the name of a tool is CI/CD. What is mean by CI/CD? Continuous integration, continuous delivery, continuous deployment. So there are multiple tools which we are going to see, but let's don't go in a very jargon technical way. Let's keep it simple so that everyone can understand. So we will use a tools and we will create the builds. So what is build here? So build is nothing but when you download application. So everyone here have downloaded application from the Windows. Let me know in the comments who has downloaded the Notepad++, or you have downloaded the VLC media player. Let me know comment in the yes if you have downloaded such applications. Fast guys. I want responses. Yeah, good. Yes, yes, not yet. Okay, you have not downloaded. Okay, let me rephrase the question. If you have downloaded any application from the internet, let me know in the comment yes. Okay, yes, 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 yes. Okay, very good. So these applications are nothing but the builds. You are installing that application on your local machine, in your Windows machine. Okay, now you are using the Android phones, right? You are using the iPhones, right? So what you do, if you want to download any application, if you are Android user, you will go to the Play Store. Okay, if you are iOS user, you will go to the App Store, right? Tell me, anyone is there who have not used a Play Store, not used a App Store? Let me know in the comment yes if you have not used a Play Store or App Store. Okay, no responses means absolutely everyone has used a Play Store and App Store. So what you are doing, you are downloading the applications from the Play Store, App Store. So how application came to Play Store or App Store? So this is the code. Like if you see like HTML code, you have seen a lot of codes, right? You have learned C, C++. Even if you're not learned, it's a number of lines. That is simply code. We don't need to worry about it at this level. Okay, we are just beginning. So let's go with slowly and try to understand the concepts, how it actually happens. So this is a number of line codes. Okay, so let's say if you have run a C program, okay, let me know how many know C program, C++, Python, or Java. Any programming language. If you have just learned in your education, if you have studied it for jobs, if you have learned a Python, if you are using Excel, you have macros, let me know in the comments if you have used. Guys, fast. Yeah, I can see yes, C, C++, Python, Java, .NET. Okay, Visual C++. Okay, C. Okay, so now you can see, okay, you have written that code, right? So let me know if you write a line of codes and you give it to your friend. Okay, just line of codes. Can he run the application just using line of codes? Yes or no? Come on, fast. You have written some code in a line of codes and you just shared it with your friend with a Gmail or Google Drive or share it, anything. Will it run? No, absolutely right. Yes, it will not run. Correct? Why? Because it is a source code or it is a code. So we need to make it run. So the process is we need to create a packaging. We need to build that code. So that job is done by the DevOps engineer. Okay, let's make it a very generic example. You are working in a company. Let's take example of a gift shop. Okay, so what you do? You are working in a gift shop and your task is package the gift and give it to customer. Do you create gifts? No, right? Do you know how gift has been created? No, your job is simply pack that gift into box and give it to the customer. So here you don't need to have a knowledge of how that gift is created, or you don't need to be a very craftsman to create those such builds, because your job is just packaging and deploying. So the same thing is done by a DevOps engineer. You have to get the code from repository written by the developer and you have to pack it. But it is not as easy as in gift shop. At the same time, it's not as difficult to writing as a code. So what you need to do, you need to learn the tools, so which will help you to create the builds. So right now, let me know if you don't know how to use Zoom, will you be able to join this session? Let me know in the comments. Will you be able to join this session? Correct? Let me know yes or no. Okay. No, 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 right? So same thing. Let's go to your granny or a 5, 6 year old kid and ask him, this is a Zoom link. Please join the session. Will he able to join? No, absolutely no, right? Same way. So what you need to do, you need some extra knowledge, like how to connect to Zoom. Same thing, being a DevOps engineer, you need some extra knowledge, how to package the code, how to build the code so that you can make it available for others. Okay, so for those people who have downloaded from internet, VLC media player, Notepad++, so those are nothing but these are the builds. And even if you have downloaded any application from the Play Store, App Store, that is also a build which is hosted in a App Store or Play Store. But the process is different. So what happens? Google and Android and iOS, they don't want to keep your phone should be secure. So what they have done, they have created their own application called App Store and Play Store. So what that application does, this application takes care if application is designed to play the game. So it should not copy your contacts. It should not capture your personal details. So likewise, so that if let's say someone created application and he started you install one game, and whenever you are doing a banking transaction, that person is getting OTP before you get it. So will your mobile secure? Will you use the Android? Will you use the iPhone? No, right? So that's why what they do, they just check the builds and test it for the security purpose. That's why anyone cannot upload their application to the Play Store or App Store. They have to do some certain checks. They have to pass some certain criteria. They have to submit their personal information details about, and then only they will be able to apply that application. So that is nothing but the build. Okay. So here, I hope you understand 3 pages: requirement, design, development. I want to go ahead, but before that, I need your approval. Have you understood requirement design development process? Let me know yes in the comments. Fast guys. Yeah. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. Type in the comments. Okay. Good. So everyone is enjoying. If you are enjoying, just say yes. You are enjoying the session. And I hope this is interactive and interesting session for you. You are not just playing the game, you are learning the concept as well. Okay. So now development will be done. Then fourth process progress will be, so in the development only DevOps role will be involved. Because let's say, okay, let's say we created a web game. Developer write a number of lines and now tester wants to test it. If that application is not available on a website, will QA team able to test it? Absolutely not, right? So then DevOps role involves in the development. So here, once it is prepared, application is ready by the development, developers, DevOps, then testing phase will come, or it is called as a QA as well. QA is nothing but quality assurance. So why we test? Because if you have bought some goods like electronics goods, you will have seen QC passed. What is it? It is quality check passed. If you have buy a new mobile, so you will see a QC has been done. So what happens? Quality check has been done. Why? To ensure the good experience to the customer. Let's say you buy a phone, brand new Android phone or brand new iPhone, and you started it and you found the camera is not working. Okay, so then what will happen? The reputation of iPhone will go down. So no one want to down their reputation. So what happens? They do a quality check and they send phone after testing it. So likewise, we have Upskill Institute. If we create application and we did not check it, and then ABC customer will give us a new work, will they give a new work? No, never. We will not get a new customers. So that's why testing is a crucial and very important phase in the application. Okay. So now next phase will be testing means if it is working or not, it is working as per expected result. So that part is done under testing. Now next part, once testing is done, then it comes to the deployment process. Again here, we get involved. And last step is a maintenance. Okay, so these are the 6 steps involved in designing and development of any application. Okay, so we have done requirement analysis, we have done design, we have done development, and now testing is done. And in the development, our role get involved. At the same time, next phase is a deployment. Here also our role get involved. So what is deployment? Okay, so when a thing is designed, developed, so first it is tested by the internal team, and then it is make available for the all for the testing purpose. And this is called as a deployment. Now we created application on our platform. Now we want to make it public, like everyone can be able to access that application. And then this is called as a deployment process. It means making it publicly available. Okay. And then sixth thing is a maintenance. What is meant by maintenance? If something goes down, if application is not working, if a lot of users are trying to log into it, then it is called as a maintenance. And that comes to our next role as a SRE, site reliability engineer. This site reliability engineer is related to the DevOps only. The DevOps and SRE are intermixed role. Like multiple companies will not have that clearly defined. There may be a one person who is doing a DevOps as well as SRE. Some companies will have the same team, CloudOps, DevOps, SRE, and they are doing all 3 roles. But in huge enterprises, big companies, they have a dedicated team for each role. They will just do a CloudOps, they will do just DevOps, and they will just do a SRE role. Okay, so this was, guys, a software development lifecycle. I hope you understand the complete process how software is developed in the industry. Okay. Understood? Anyone has a doubt how software is created in the organization? Let me know in comment yes. Let me know comment yes. Okay, understood. Okay, now let me give a, so this was a demo where I wanted to show how the teaching is going to be, how we are starting from the very small concepts, and we will take it to the next level. Like, as you know, in the first standard, we just learn how to draw letters. Then we learn how to draw words. And then we learn how to create sentences. And when you reach the 10th, 12th, you have to write the long descriptive answers. You have to able to do the maths, calculations, and all. So this was software development lifecycle. So let me show. So I know what your questions, what we are going to cover, how it will be. So let me show. Okay, so I will give time for your questions. So wait for some time. Let me quickly finish into this. So there are a lot of concepts which we have to comment, but we are going slowly and steady. So let me know what is your, just a second, slideshow from current slide. Okay, let me know if my screen is visible to you again. And in front of you is a DevOps career roadmap. So how you can become a DevOps engineer? So first you need to learn Linux. Linux is in Linux, you need to learn scripting, and then Git. Git is a source control management tool. Then we need to learn configuration management such as Terraform, Ansible, then CI/CD process, the tool which I said, monitoring, and then we need to learn cloud and containers. So this will be the roadmap of your learning. So now you can see this is the complete picture. So you have seen this infinity diagram. So it starts from the planning, plan, code, build, test, release, deploy, operate, and monitor. Again, we need to plan. So this is an infinite loop because this is an agile method. So what is agile? So that we will see in next sessions. So this will be the complete picture of a DevOps, but don't get bothered about seeing a lot of information on the screen. We will need to learn the tools and we will be able to learn it. Okay. So these are the multiple tools, but do we need to learn all the tools? You can see there are 50 or 20 tools on the screen. Do we need to learn all those tools? No, absolutely not. So what we need to learn? We need to learn the tools. The first thing we need to learn Linux. So Linux is very important, and that is the skill. If you don't know Linux, you can't proceed ahead. So first we will learn Linux, then we will learn Git. So Git is a tool where I show the repository. So it is nothing but a folder where you can push the code, you can pull the code, you can commit the code, you can make the branches, you can make the changes to it. So that process we are going to learn. Then what next we are going to learn? We are learning a GitHub. So GitHub is what? So Git is used on your local machine. And what is the GitHub? It will be used on the online repository. Then we will learn Azure DevOps. We will learn Terraform, and we will learn Docker, Kubernetes, and we will have projects. And time would be of the batch, same time, morning 8 to 9, Monday to Friday. We will have the same timings. Okay. So now you have a lot of questions. Like this class is going to free. I have joined with the free. So don't need to worry about it, as you will be able to join these sessions. And if you are registered on the platform, you will able to learn it absolutely free. No one is going to ask you the money. But there is a twist. I want everyone should learn and everyone should get a job. So if I am committed to teach you for 90 days for free of cost, so you should have a commitment to attend every day to take these sessions live and attend. But in practical, it will never happen because if anything we get a free, we don't value it. I know 10% of students will be very serious. They will join it every day and attend the sessions. But for if you have decided to create a career in a DevOps and you are dedicated and passionate about getting the jobs after 3 months of completing this course, then we have another plan for the paid members. So don't worry about it. Like this is a free course, and so it's completely option. But if you are buying this course as a paid members, what you will get extra apart from the free sessions. So free sessions, you will get the sessions will be same content. There is no difference in the content, but what is the difference between free members and paid members? So you can see there are 10 pointers. If you are going or converting for a paid members, you will get daily recording access. So for example, if you are not paid, you can see the attend the sessions, and if you miss the session, you will not have a chance to attend that session again. But if you are paid member, you will get all the recordings. Once the session is completed, after 1 to 2 hours, the recording will be available on the portal. Then you will get daily assignments. What is daily assignments? I want a commitment. So because if you want to become a DevOps engineer, I want a commitment from you guys. 2 hours daily. Only I am asking for a daily 2 hours. 1 hour you have to attend my session live, and 1 hour you have to practice what we learned today. And how you will practice? I will share the assignments. Those will be simple assignments. The what we learned today based on that only. You don't need to do anywhere. Simple lab setup will be done, and using that only. At this point, you don't need to create Azure account. You don't need to create AWS account. We will be doing it on your laptop itself. We don't need any tool at this point. Okay, so you will get daily assignments, and once our class is designed to Monday to Friday, and every Saturday or Sunday, depending on your choice, we will have one test of 30 minutes only. I don't want you to study 7 days of a week. I want you should take a rest 2 days. Saturday, Sunday, you should have a rest. But I need a 30 minutes of you so that whatever you have learned, you will come to know what skill set I am lagging. Am I going with the course flow or am I lagging? So that thing I need from you. So for that, I will have a weekly test. So it will be a 30 minutes test, not more than that. And I will request you, don't study on Saturday, Sunday. Start thinking like you are an IT employee. IT employees don't work Saturday, Sunday. Why? Because Monday to Friday, we are doing a lot of work and we do a lot of stress. So you need to maintain the work-life balance. You need to give your time to yourself. You need to enjoy yourself. You need to give time to your family members. You need to go for a vacation. You need to do travel. If you are a photographer, you should visit wild places. Whatever your hobbies, you should able to follow those. Then only 30 minutes of your weekend time I will need to prepare the test. And if you have worked Monday to Friday 5 days, it is just you will finish that test within 15 to 20 minutes. So that test will be provided. Then we will have a support community. So what is that? For example, if you are, so you can understand, I am a single person, there are 100 of students. I cannot help each and everyone, right? So what we will have a support community, just like you have seen a Stack Overflow. So that we will have a paid members community where you can post your queries, your doubts, and our learner community will able to help you. If they are not able to help or not resolve to your query, I will jump into it. I will post answers to support community. And then we will have workshops. So Monday to Friday 8 to 9 we cannot complete the projects and many things we cannot complete, so we will have a dedicatedly workshops for that. So those workshops will be once in a month or twice in a month as per your choice, like whenever you will free comfortable. And let's say today is yesterday was 2nd October, Gandhi Jayanti, so we are getting a time. So on those occasions we will have those workshops. And then you will get a job alerts and resume assistance, LinkedIn profile screening. I will personally review each and everyone's LinkedIn profile and I will help you. AI tools for DevOps. So for paid members, I will teach how to use AI tools to become an efficient DevOps engineer. Then I will, for the paid members, I will help to take the interview preparation. So now you will have a question like why I'm doing it for free. Okay, so let me give it everyone. Like I don't want someone should miss the learning opportunity, so that's why these are the free sessions. So it's not a compulsory to buy everyone, but the people who have joined today and who are decided to become a successful career in a DevOps. For those people, I have an offer today, and this is limited for today only, because you have given a time, your morning fresh time. It's a festival season, and you have dedicated yourself. You have commitment for yourself. So for those peoples who are committed and who want to take a DevOps as a serious career, I have to give something extra to those, and that's my responsibility. So okay, so this is the website where you have to log in, enroll to upskill.com. Okay, so let me share a screen once again. Okay. Okay, so you can see the screen. This is our website, the Upskill Institute, enroll to upskill.com. If you come to landing page, I know you have enrolled to this course, and this is absolutely free, and this will be free for cost for 3 months, but you will not get a support. But if you go for a paid membership, you will get all the support which I have explained here. And you can see the fee of this course is 9,999. But today you join the session because you have, I know it's easy to wake up in the morning and attend the session 8 to 9. If you are not having any jobs, you are not having any school, something like that. So then this course is a fee of 9,999, but only for today, who has seriously decided to join this course, they will get a coupon code. So if you click on buy now, you will see the buying option to 999 only. But the people who have joined, I am going to share a coupon code, and that will help you to get this course only 5,000 rupees. And that code will be valid only for today itself. If you complete the course buying today, then only this will be applicable. Okay, now let me know if you have any questions, any concerns. I am opening a forum, and if you raise the hand, I will unmute you and I will take your questions one by one. So please raise your hands if you have any questions, any concerns. I will unmute you and I will answer your questions. Okay, let me know in the comments if you are happy with this. Okay, Pritam has a question. Okay, you are allowed to talk.
Hey, hi Sanjay.
Yeah, hi Pritam.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Sanjay, as far as I see the course contents, are we going to cover the Azure DevOps? Am I right?
Actually, you can see in the market, there are the course called Azure DevOps or AWS DevOps, but
Right.
we will have the both. But thing is, like, this is a DevOps, right? This is not a cloud related course. So if you are going for a cloud, then you have to choose either AWS or Azure. But being DevOps engineer, you have to work on both. Here we will have 60 to 80% Azure resource creation, and 20 to 40% we will use AWS, we will use GCP as well. So that, let's say, you enroll this course as an Azure DevOps engineer, and I take the everything as with respect to the Azure DevOps. And let's say there is opening in my company and they are asking for AWS. So you will not able to apply it because you don't have a confidence. So I don't want miss anyone just because of technology, because DevOps role is different and cloud is different. So here little bit tweaks are there only. So you should not bother about AWS, Azure, on-prem, IBM, any cloud. I
Okay.
hope you got the answer.
Yeah, got it. Got it. Thank
Okay.
you, man.
Okay. Thank you. Thanks for the. Okay. Anyone has other question, please raise your hand so I will come to know and I will unmute you. Okay. Anyone has any questions, queries? Okay. So let me know, are you happy with this price? Okay. Okay. Ariba, you are allowed to speak. Sorry. Konda ready. Okay. allowed to talk. Yeah, you are unmuted. You can talk, Kunda Reddy. Hello, Kunda. You can unmute yourself. You have now option and you can speak. Adnan, you are also allowed to speak. You can unmute and speak. You can unmute yourself now.
Yeah, Sanjay, first of all, thank you so much.
Yeah, you're
And
welcome, sir.
the second thing, Sanjay, please, can you share the course detail, like what you have to cover in the Kubernetes and in the Docker, please?
Sure, sure. So let me show the what we have. So this is not my first batch. Okay, I will show what detail I have covered. So just a second. You can screen my screen, right?
Yes, I can see your screen, please.
So complete. So we will have a 30 day. So this is on my another website where the previous batch was concluded. I will share it in a chart so that everyone can have a look into it. Okay. So if you go here and you go to pages, then you go to recordings. So this is our demo sessions, and you can see Linux for DevOps. So we have almost 9 sessions for Linux. We have 8 sessions for Git and GitHub. We have Azure DevOps, so 22 sessions. And Terraform, we have covered 11 to 12 sessions, Docker Kubernetes. So now here, we will start from the Docker and we will finish into the Kubernetes. So you can see this much syllabus we will cover. So not only this, you will get extra than this, because previous batch we have taken, and just because of some we are taking a new, so we are adding up this school. We are keep up to date with the market standards. And if you look at the DevSecOps, so regarding this we will take DevSecOps as well, and we will have 3 projects, final projects, so where you will able to understand end-to-end industry level projects will be there. And this is a for paid members only, so you may not have access to this, but this is the last batch, and you can see this run over than 3.5 months, and we have concluded with the batch, and now we are starting a new batch. So here we have covered each and everything details. So if anyone joined my previous student, so then I will explain. Okay, so don't worry about it. This course of a Kubernetes will be you can able to appear for the CK exam. So if you and I'm sharing the code as well for the CK exam discount codes. So now you will get the discount codes so that you can appear for CK exam with a less fees. So you don't need to pay the regular fees. So that I keep posting in the WhatsApp group. Okay.
Thanks, Sanjay.
Yeah.
Thank you. It's really good. I'm just thinking like about the Kubernetes, because you mentioned the Kubernetes and Dockers, so that's
Yes.
why
Yes.
I'm adding. Thank
Yeah.
you so much, please, and share the
Coupon code. Yeah.
the coupon code, please, so I will
Yeah.
buy the
You
course.
you will get that code in a. Have you followed the channel? Our channel?
Yes, please.
Okay, then you will get that coupon code in that list.
I
Okay.
got you. Thank you so much, please.
Okay, you're welcome. Okay. Next is Adnan. Do you want to speak?
No, I'm Adnan. Sorry.
Okay.
I'm the yes.
Okay. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Konda has raised a hand. Okay, Konda, now you can speak. Okay, you can raise the hand, so I will come to know who wants to speak.
Yes.
Please raise your hands.
My question is.
Konda, I am not able to hear you.
Yes, Sanjay.
Yeah. What is your question, please? Okay, please raise your hands if you have a questions. I will answer each and everyone's question. You need to raise hand, then I will unmute you and you will allow to speak. So this is a webinar mode, so this is not a normal Zoom. So you need to raise hand and I will get notified and I will unmute you if you have any questions. Okay. Okay, do you have any questions, or we can stop here if you don't have any questions? Tomorrow we are going to create a game which we discussed today. So this was our theoretical discussion only. And tomorrow we are going to see the game practically, and everyone will able to play the game in the session only. Okay, so if you don't have any questions, and we can stop here. Okay, Shubhangi, okay. Yeah, Shubhangi, you are unmute. You are allowed to talk. If you have a question. Oh, guys, if you have any question, please raise your hand so that I will come to know and I will allow you to speak. Shubhangi, you are unmute. You can speak. Please ask your question.
Hello, Sanjay. Good morning.
Good morning.
The syllabus is going to cover only for paid members or in a free session as well?
No, syllabus will be same. If you are a free or you are a paid member, syllabus is going to same. There is no change in the syllabus, but the support, you will recordings, notes, quiz, workshops, then job preparation tips, AI tools, that will be provided to the paid members only. Sessions are absolutely free. You can join every day, and but that is the limit. Like if you have enrolled today and tomorrow, because after tomorrow we will not accept the admission for the free classes. If you have or your friends want to enroll, make sure they enroll today itself. Because what happens if I keep the admissions enrolled, then from Monday we will start actual sessions, and then once we start the session, let's say 2 to 3 sessions completed, then someone comes in the between and they don't understand what's happening, because we are going slow and steady. But if the people don't get understand, then they feel confusing. So we will stop free entries after tomorrow. So tomorrow is the last day you can attend the free sessions. Means admission to this course. If you have got the link, you can enroll it. If you have enrolled today and tomorrow, then you can join the free sessions, no issues. But new admission will not allow to the free session after tomorrow. Okay. Okay, anyone has any questions? Please raise your hand and unmute yourself. You are allowed to raise your hand. You can ask any questions if you have. And don't worry about the syllabus, course content. You will get the real value out of this. Okay, I can see Vijay. Okay, now you are unmute. You can ask your question.
Hello, sir. Good morning, sir. Very
Good morning. Good morning, Vijay. Hope you enjoy the session.
Yeah, I have enjoyed this one.
Okay.
Can I know what are the tools you are going to choose for this course, like
Yeah.
GitHub, Performer, Jenkins?
Yeah, so you can see this is the list which are going to cover. First, we will start with Linux. Then we will have Git and GitHub. Then we will have Azure DevOps. We will have a Terraform. We will have Docker and Kubernetes, and we will have DevSecOps. So DevSecOps is the advanced tool which involves the security. So we will have SonarQube. We will have a Trivi that scans the code vulnerability. Those tools will be there. So here, after 3 months of course, you will have a knowledge up to 2 and 3 years working in the industry. Why I am saying this? Because we are going to complete 3 end-to-end projects. From the scratch, we will create 3 projects, and you will learn the concept in projects only. So here what will happen? Let's say you are joining the driving school class, right? So first day, no one will give you key and ask you to start driving. So first 2 to 3 days, you need assistance. When to accelerate, when to brake, when to clutch. And once you complete that training, then you are allowed to drive the car, because you know what accelerator does, what clutch does, what brake does. Same thing within these 20 days, first 2.5 months of this course, we will learn the tools and we will get the note about how the tools work and what is the role. And after last 15 days, we will be doing completely projects. So then you will get a complete hands-on on the real-time industry. You can showcase if you are a fresher, then good, you don't need to do anything. You can put those projects on your resume, and you will get interview questions only on those projects. And once you are confident on doing the projects, then your interview will get cracked easily. And I'm going to cover AI tools as well, but that will be for only paid members. And AI tools will help you to 3x your job opportunities. Okay. Sorry, I cut you. What is your question?
Yeah, got it, sir. Thank you. And what is the scripting language you are going to teach, sir?
YAML, we need to learn. We need to learn Bash.
Okay.
Yeah.
You will cover 100% of scripting or only basics?
Only basics. Because if we start complete scripting, then it will take 1 month. and that is not required actually, because you will not start getting job on a scratch company, sir. You will be working on a project which is already designed, developed, and scripts will be already written by your seniors. So
Okay, sir.
so you don't need to worry. And that batch crash course will you don't worry about the syllabus, you don't worry about the content, you just focus on your learning, and you will learn how to self learn as well. Like that the my key aspect of teaching. You will learn how to self learn. Okay.
Okay, sir. How the job assistant should be, sir, after completing this or in between this?
First, for job assistance, we are not going providing a proxy. We are not providing the fake certificates. Though you have education gap, though you have a career gap, we will tell you the legal way to enter into any company. So that we will not follow the job proxies and job support. That is not supported by us. If you are looking for that, so sorry everyone, but you don't worry. If you have a career gap, you have education gap, you have a non-technical background, we will let you know how to crack those deals, so that you will get covered.
Oh,
You don't worry about it, because if you are
okay.
if my students are not getting placed, then no point of running my batch, sir. So don't worry about
Okay.
job.
Any internship you are running, sir?
Internship, that is subject to that I don't want to announce at this point, because that will be too early. But yeah,
Okay.
we will try to provide you the internship from the other companies, not at Upskill, but other companies. We will be keep posting about job openings and opportunities, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. When I will get the coupon code, sir?
I will share, just ping to the WhatsApp message coupon code, and I will reply to you individually.
Okay. Thank you,
Yeah.
sir. Thank you so much.
Okay, welcome, sir. Okay, Rajkumar, you can unmute and ask your question. Right, rapid. Okay, you are allowed to speak, sir. Rajkumar. Rajkumar, you have a question? You can unmute and ask your question.
Hi.
Yeah, hi Rajkumar, I can hear you.
Yeah, I'm working as a data analyst in Doha. Gradually I am planning to move to DevOps side. So it's it work to my career transition for this course.
Okay, so do you like troubleshooting? Do you like to create application? Yeah. Okay, if you are if you are interested into this field, you should then you are good. Like you don't have any problem, no barriers, and I don't need to tell anyone like what is the package and what are the demand of DevOps engineer. There are a lot of
how much fees for this course? Actually, 3 months course.
Yeah, the free fee is 9,999. But for those who attended the session today, they will get a coupon code. You have to just ping on a WhatsApp number coupon code, and I will share that coupon code. With that, you will get only, you have to pay only 50% off. You will get. So
you are covering only the Azure part or AWS part also?
Actually, DevOps is different from the Cloud Ops. So if you are looking for Cloud Ops, then you have to go through the learn entire cloud platform. We will cover only the required as per our project. So we will try to cover AWS, Azure, both, and GCP also. So you can think of 60% of Azure, 30% of AWS, and 10% of GCP, so that you will have a confidence like to apply the job for any company.
But the recording you are providing now.
Yes, recording will be there.
Classes I didn't attend, you can provide the recording also.
Yeah, the recordings there. Weekly daily notes are there, and questions are test series are all there.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Raj. Yeah.
Thank you.
Shreyash, you can unmute and speak.
Hello.
Yeah, hi Shreyash. Good morning.
Good morning, sir. I'm having question. Just now you said to someone, you need to send a coupon for which one, sir? For what is it for?
Yeah. So if you want to take a paid course, then I will share a coupon code where you will get a 50% off. So the course fee is 9,999 for 3 months. because we are providing a lot of value in it. So we are providing notes, we are providing recordings, we will have weekly test, we will assist you for resume preparation, we will screen your LinkedIn profiles, we are providing you AI tools list, AI workshop for the paid members only. So if you want to go with a paid member, then the course fee is 9,999. But if you confirm your seat today, then the fee is only 5,000 rupees. So you will get a 50% flat off for today if you take
Oh,
your admission. And if you want a coupon code, just reply to number 976500404 coupon code. I will share the coupon code with you.
okay, sir. And the apart from the core syllabus, the AI will be there.
Yeah, this will be only for paid members. AI means AI tools, like training tools, which industry work in industry. So I am not a full-time trainer. I am a corporate job I am doing, and
Mhm.
this is just my hobby. As a teaching is my hobby. That's why I'm running this batch, and that's why I'm giving a absolutely free of course, because my main source is my job, and I am earning good money out of that. But the thing is, like, when someone gets anything free, people don't value it. But at the same time, there are 5%, 10% people who value it and they really want to learn. So for those 5 to 10%, I am running this free course. So this is my second batch. The first batch completed successfully with free 3 months, 3.5 months. So this is my second batch, and I have shared the link for the previous batch. You can see how much course content we have covered. I am saying 3 months, but I know that this will go more than 3.5 months. That's my promise. And for paid members, even it can extend to the 4 months as well.
And if I consider the free course and the paid course, so if the free course is there, then how much month duration it will take, and considering how much per day the hours will be there for the one lecture,
1 hour, 8 to 9 morning daily.
and for
The
and how much the duration of months will be there for free, and if consider paid
same
also,
same
how
sa-
much?
sa- same course will be there for free and paid. Same course will be there. There will be no change in the course, but you will get a support, and you will get the you will not get a support in free course. Like free course, you will able to attend the sessions 8 to 9. That's it. You will come to know. But if you are getting issues, if you are getting, you will not get a job updates, you will not get recordings, you will not get a community support, you will not get a AI workshop. So that facility will not be there with the free members.
Okay,
Rest
yeah, yeah.
syllabus will be the same for free and paid members, but paid members will get extra workshops. So that workshop will not be provided to the free class. So free member will have Monday to Friday 8 to 9 fixed session, and for paid members there will be a quiz, there will be a resume preparation, there will be a job postings, how to sell yourself, your interview preparation will be done, your mock interviews will be taken. So that kind of support we are providing for the paid
Okay, and the
members.
duration of months is 3 months. So okay,
More than 3 months, 3 to 5 months will be there.
okay, yeah, the free one, right? Okay, yeah, got it, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Does anyone has any other question? Please raise your hand. I will unmute and you can speak. Okay. If you have hesitation for speaking loud, you can type the in question section as well, and I will answer there your questions. So tomorrow you can attend the session same time, and the link will be shared. So tomorrow 8 to 9. So today we created a theory part only. We just played a game, but tomorrow we are going to create actual game using a DevOps tools. So don't miss tomorrow's session. Even if you're not decided today, so no issues. You can attend the free sessions as per my commitment. Uh, no one will ask you a single rupee. You will able to attend the free sessions. But if you want to real serious about your career and you want to get placed within 3 months, then only you need to opt for a paid membership, so that you will get the proper support, end-to-end support, and we will help you in each phase of your learning, from your resume preparation, your LinkedIn profile creation, your interview preparation, your mock interviews, sharing the job opportunities. That will be done for the paid members.
So one more question.
Yes.
The recording which will there, it will be only for paid members, right?
Yes. Recording
Okay.
will be provided only for paid members. Free members will get live sessions. If they miss the session, they don't have option to re-listen it that session. So that's the difference. So that we have kept intentionally. If someone is really poor and they can't afford to pay the fees, So I don't want to miss him, like he should miss the knowledge or he should miss the opportunity in DevOps. So if someone is really poor and he can't afford the 5,000 rupees, then he will definitely join every day because he has commitment to own. If you are committed to yourself, then guys, like you can see like why I'm running this free. So if you go to YouTube, you will get everything free of cost. But how many are able to become the DevOps engineer just watching YouTube videos? Only 2 to 3% people. They are, why? Because they are dedicated, they are committed. So if you want to do commitment to yourself, like I want to upskill myself and I want to be a successful in career, then you have to pay the value. And if you are paying the value to yourself, it's your own commitment. If you are not paying, then after 2 to 3 days, you will not join the session. After 2 to 3 days, you will join and you will think like I am not coming, getting any concept. And then there you don't have any option. So then that course fee will not change. This will be still the 9,999. The offer is valid only for today because you taken this time and you committed as per my message mail, you join the session. So I want to give you more value. So that's why this offer is for the today only. So if you are paying
Got
today,
it, sir.
just let me know. I will share the coupon code and you will get the offer 5,000 rupees off, 50% off. Okay. Anyone has any other question? You please raise your hand or you can ask in a Q&A section. Otherwise, we can stop here. We will see you tomorrow, same time, 8 to 9. Link will be shared tomorrow as well. With you will get a Gmail, your mail, or if you are enrolled to the free course, then you will get link there as well in the course itself.
And if I consider, so I'm having coding programming experience in Java. So what would be the, you can say, for it me like DevOps?
So it will be very easy for you to understand, and you will have the opportunity to apply as a full stack engineer because you know development as well as you know DevOps. So getting a more opportunities, it will open the more doors for you for jobs. So the people who complete this course, they have a job like DevOps engineer, DevSecOps engineer, and SRE engineer. So 3 roles they can apply. But if you have a programming knowledge or you have a IT background and you know the coding, you know development, then you will get one more role that is called as a full stack developer. Full stack developer. If you are good in Python, you can apply for that. If you're good in Java, if you're .NET, so one more door of opportunity will be open for you.
So it will be like coding plus the code integration part, like
Yeah,
that.
coding plus DevOps will be there. So you will,
Mhm.
yeah, you can. So if you have a 2 to 3x experience, then you can become a solution architect as well. But it's not that easy. You need to commitment yourself and you need to practice every day. So what I commitment taking from everyone is a 2 hours daily, 1 hour for my live classes and 1 hour for your own practice. So that's commitment I need to get succeed. And that will happen only if you are paid member. Otherwise, people, because last batch experience what I have, like people were, when started batch, there are 100 of students who are joining daily. After 1 week, they did not join, and the paid members are continuously joining because they have paid the fee, and that's what they got the value and they got a placement.
And
Okay.
so for the paid members, the workshop will be there. So what will it include? Means what does it contain? Like,
Yeah, workshop will have how to prepare your resume. So that will, so now like now no one reads your resume. All process done through the automated AI way. Like your resumes are screened using AI softwares. Because if you are applying for a DevOps engineer, you can see LinkedIn, there are 1,000 applicants. So do you think it is really possible for any human being to read 1,000 emails and do this email screening? No, right? No one can do it. So how they are screening the resumes using AI tools? So there is a hack, there is algorithm to get your CV listed. So using AI tools. So that will be included in a workshops. Then we will create your resume as per the so that will be AI tools will be used, and your chances of your getting job is really high if your resume gets shortlisted. Let's say there are 5,000 applicants and your resume did not get selected for first round, then how you will get job? So that part will be covered in a workshop. Then there is a resume preparation is there. Then interview, mock interview will be provided. You will be provided a mock interview for the paid members, how to attend the interview, what are the skills, how to crack the interview. Actually, I will tell a short story in tomorrow session about the cracking interview. If I forgot, let me reminder. the only technical skills will not help you to get the job. You need some extra skills. So that will be covered in the workshop. Then there are the AI tools. Like if you want to write the YAML files, you want to write the pipeline. So then there are the AI tools which are industry-wise used. Like people are using it. And if you the people see this keyword on your resume, then your chance of getting job is high. Because now industry is moving fast. No one wants to invest your training, 6-month training internship. No one is interested. People should productive from day one, because the lot of opportunities are there, lot of resources are there, and it's due to remote jobs. Anyone can apply from anywhere. So that is the problem. So how to tackle that? How to phrase the interview? Like lot of people are having the issue with communication. So that how to deal with that? So how to kill the fear of facing interview? So that will be covered in the workshops, and that will be only
Uh,
for the paid members.
and I saw from the syllabus it it is containing Terraform, some AWS also. So what if if one is having some no idea about AWS?
Okay, so that we will cover in the syllabus, because you will, because I am not only I am creating in front of you resources. I am providing you the recordings. You have to just follow the steps, and the notes will be also provided. You have to follow the steps, and you have to do the practical scenarios. So that will be done. And Terraform, like it's a technique. Like if you can create the resources in AWS, you can create the resource in Azure. If you can create the resources in AWS or Azure, you can create the resource in GCP. So it is the art. Like for example, if you know how to drive the Maruti 800, you can drive Nexon, you can drive the Creta, you can drive Safari, you can drive any car.
Okay, interface. Yeah.
Yeah, because the process will be the same. Okay, do anyone have any questions, or we can stop here if. Okay, so I have a questions from comment section. I have done basic Linux and need guidance regarding RS-124 certification. Can you please guide me? Okay, sure. So we are starting Linux session from Monday. So entire week we will learn Linux, and that session I will going to cover that part. How much duration of this course? This course is for 3 months. I know like there are duration is lengthy, but believe me, within 40 days or 2 months, no one can become a DevOps engineer. So you need to give a commitment, and 3 months are at least 3 months are required, because just I'm not a commercial one. Like I have to just finish the syllabus in 40 days and I have to take a piece. I am teaching free of cost, so you can understand what level I'm having here. Okay, so Vijay has a question. You will say raise your hand. Do you have any question,
Yes,
or you
sir.
can? Yeah,
Yeah, yes. Yes.
yeah. Please ask.
Sir, if yeah, if you are doing DevOps course, the individual require the AWS or Azure account, correct?
Yes.
So if it is there is no possibility to open the account because of that any credit card issue, then what will be the solution for that, sir?
Yeah, don't worry. We will let you know the hacks, like how you can create the accounts. And at the beginning of the course, you will not need a credit card accounts. We will need a cloud account when we will starting the CI/CD tools. Because for
Oh,
we will start course from the Linux, then we will cover Git and GitHub, and I will show the way. Don't worry about the cloud subscription. And here we are not providing you any ready-made labs, because you are going to the company on working on the real resources, not on a lab environment you are working, right? So you don't worry about it, because here I have to showcase you in front of you only screen. So I know how to do, and I have taken the first batch as well, and I am teaching for free. So I can understand your question. Like in the market, there are two tracks: AWS with DevOps, Azure DevOps. So they are just getting the money. For example, if you done AWS DevOps and you did not got a job, so then what you will do? You think like there are opportunities in Azure, so you will again enroll to the class and you will do Azure DevOps. So you are paying for a single course 2 times, which is not required actually, because DevOps is different and cloud is different. Here we are not learning cloud, we are learning a DevOps. For example, if you know how to drive Maruti 800, do you need to again join class to learn the Nexon or Creta? Tell me honestly.
no,
No, right? Yeah. So that's the beauty of my course, because I am not doing it for money, right? I am have a full-time job. I am doing it for my passion, and that's why I'm teaching a free. No one institute in the world you have seen who is running a 3 months free DevOps course. So you can
yes, sir,
see
yes.
like why I am doing it. So it is like giving back to the society for my side. Like if you are a
Okay,
defense
okay.
you are service to the nation, right? You are doctor, you are serving to the nation. But I am a DevOps engineer. So how I can serve to my nation? How I can make my country proud? How I can make more engineers in my India? So
Yeah.
that's why I am
Yes, sir.
teaching a free of cost, sir. So this is the reason I am giving this free course. But the thing is,
Yeah,
what
sir.
happens
Thank
when people get free things, they start not do the value for that. So that's why I have paid, given the paid one. And here I will not ask you to enroll for paid, sir, because I don't
Okay.
matter like if 10 students enroll or 100 student enrolls. I have a free plan, same plan for free and paid. But
Okay.
I am taking money. Why? Because I want your commitment. So if you are committed to yourself, then I will be more interested to teach you. I will be more happy to spend the time with you. But what happens if you are free members? 1 month you join, 15 days you will take a leave, again 15 days back you will join. So then it is not easy for me to cover everything from the beginning. So that's why I have paid, and the platform which we are using, I need to pay for that platform as well. So I need to some like
Yes.
recovery cost
Yeah.
at least, so that I can teach with efficiently.
Okay.
And if you are paid member, then I can keep more things to you. Like I have a plan of arranging the guest sessions who are working in DevOps. So then that sessions will be there, because you can understand I am a single person. I cannot be perfect in everything. You can
Yeah.
understand, right? So what my thought is to bring more industry people to meet you, because if I'm saying the something, every day you will get bored. Like sir is saying this, no, sir is saying lie. But if the people from industry who are really working in IT jobs and they are saying the same thing, then you will feel value. And no one will come for free, like everyone will not be so they will ask me for money. So I will definitely pay for that. If I am earning from you, so I don't have to spend your money to the your education. So I am doing this for the betterment of India, and this is my service to the India, nothing else. No, nothing professional, all
Sir,
my social
Sanjay,
cause. Yes.
so where are you pasting the coupon or the number as well?
Yeah, you need to type a message me on my number 9765004040.
Is it pasted in the chat or
Not I
somewhere
have
else?
not shared any at this point. I will share it shortly. So this is a number where you have to ping on WhatsApp coupon code. You will get it today itself. You will get it within 1 hour. You will get.
Okay, sir.
So I have received already a lot of comments. So you you will just ping me and wait for some time. So you will get that code. Okay. Does anyone has any question? Because I am moving to the office. So see you tomorrow, guys. Same time, 8 to 9.
Sir, and one last question. Sorry, sir. So actual actual the lecture means proper from starting is going to start from tomorrow or
Monday.
Monday?
Monday. Actual
Yeah.
batch will start from Monday. So it is just introduction. Like people are students, so they don't know what's DevOps. So today itself, we just completed a software development lifecycle. So actually, I wanted to show how DevOps engineer works. So that we will cover tomorrow. We will actually run tools in front of you, and I will show you how easy it is if you do the practice. So see you tomorrow,
Yes, sir.
same time 8 to 9. If you want, and one more thing, if you want to start your journey seriously, at least prepare one of your best friend, so who can accompany you and he can start learning with you. If you are having a friend company, then you can both sit together virtually, physically, and you can start the learning. So that will be your learning process, because some concept you will understand, some concept you will not understand. But if you have a friend with you and you both start preparing, then it will be a good collaboration with you. Because I am a single person, I cannot take interest with the 100 students. So that's why I'm having a paid membership. Those are paid. I will be dedicated to help only those people, because that's no, I know you are committed to this career. So that's why this is a paid subscription. And I know, like, if you look at the market, no one will offer you the value of a 5,000 rupees, that much of course. You can see there are 1 lakh rupees to 2.5 lakh rupees charging for a 3 months course. There are some people who are charging 10,000. And if you look at the course duration, they are having just 40 days, 2 months, 2.5 months. So this is course ultimate, and some people are having the weekend batches. But this is a agile way. Agile means itself you have to improve yourself slowly, daily. Okay. So that's why you need to. I have made this course Monday to Friday, 8 to 9 morning. So you will have a commitment. You will wake up early in the morning, 6 to 7. You will read what has covered yesterday session. So that's why I'm having this course. Okay, guys, see you tomorrow. We'll see you tomorrow at 8 to 9 live on the class. Link will be shared tomorrow in the morning, 30 minutes before class starts. If your friends wants to enroll, let them know. Because after Monday, no free admission will be done. The course will be closed. Admission will be closed for a free course. Okay.
Sir, there is no WhatsApp group, right? The link will be shared in the mail, right?
There is a WhatsApp channel which we have created. You can follow it.
So where I can find it?
This number, ping this number, you will get all those details.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, everyone. See you tomorrow. Happy Navratri to all of you. And thanks for taking your time. This is an auspicious day. And you are starting to your upskilling journey with the DevOps, the Upskill Institute. Be assured, be confident. See you tomorrow. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.